All right, so we're supposed to first write this in radical notation and then evaluate the expression by hand when possible. All right, well, what does this half power mean? Well, that means we're going to take the square root of, and that's going to be take the square root of 9 over 25. Well, we can convert this into the square root of 9 over the square root of 25. Well, the square root of 9 we know is 3. The square root of 25 is 5. And so that's going to be our final answer. This is the one in between that they want in radical notation. And then we simplified the radical notation to a radical over a radical, which then we could do by hand. All right, what about this one? All right, so same thing. This is a cubed root, so we know we have the cubed root of, and we have what? Negative 64. Now, that means this whole thing is now squared because we have it on the outside. Now, what is the cubed root of 64? Well, if we think about that, 4 times 4 is equal to 16, and 16 times 4 is equal to 64. So if we have a negative here, that means we're going to take a negative times a negative will be positive, but a positive times a negative is going to give us a negative. So a cubed root of that's going to be a negative 4, and then we square that, and then squaring that is going to give us 16 as our answer. Okay, and so that's how we're going to work on that one. Again, this is all on the outside, so we're going to keep that on the outside of the cubed root, and then we square it after that. All right, let's pause here and come back for some more.